morning.
Good morning.
Shaky, 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 up and down. Shaky, 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 up and down. Shaky, 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 up and down. Clap your hands together. Fantastic. Can everybody get their stars ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what.
Shall we read it? Hello, zookeeper. Find the flap. What's inside? Shall we see? Ready, steady. Woo! It's the elephant. Woo! Well done, everybody. It's feeding time. But what's behind the bucket of fish? Shall we see? Ready, steady, go! It's the penguin! Can you flap like a penguin? Taking a nap. Somebody snoring. Shall we see who it is? It's Panda! Wait, no! And he's eating.
Your hand, come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hand. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger.
Oh, Tiger, can we run?
Run like a tiger. Run like a tiger. Stop!
Hop the bubble, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop the bubble, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop them high and hop them low. Hop them quickly, hop them slow. Hop the bubble, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop.
Oil barrels in the ice. Does anybody want to join in? Yes? After 3 then. 1, 2, 3. Oil valve in the eye. Oil valve in the eye. Oil valve in the eye. My name's the white oil valve. Do, left and goodbye, and we'll see you all next week. Right,